decision that it will be declaring that part as the fifth state other than Balochistan, Sindh, Punjab and Northwest Frontier Province, which they call it as Pashtunkhwa. Has the Indian government, भारत सरकार के तरफ से कोई प्रतिक्रिया आई है कि नहीं आई है? यही हमारी चिंता की कारण है, क्योंकि इसी बीच काफ़ी चर्चा वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में हो चुकी है और डिफरेंट पार्लियामेंट ऑफ इंग्लैंड आल्सो हैज मेड अ रिजोल्यूशन denouncing the Pakistan's attempt of declaring Baltistan and Gilgit as its fifth state. What is our government's response? That I would like to know from the government, and I would also want to stress upon that we should not forget history. Once we forget history, we will be repeating that history. Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of India, but that does not mean that is the occupied Kashmir is also a part of India that we should also remember. Baltistan and Gilgit also is an integral part of India that we also should always worship in the international forum. I would like to get a response from the government.
External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj said that the entire state of Jammu and Kashmir, which includes areas currently under Pakistan occupation, is an integral part of the Union of India. India has maintained that entire area is its integral part by virtue of its accession in 1947.
लेकिन मैं उन्हें कहना चाहती हूँ कि आपने गिलगिट बाल्टिस्तान की पाकिस्तान का प्रयास तो देख लिया, क्या आपने हमारी प्रतिक्रिया अभी तक नहीं देखी? अध्यक्ष जी, मैं उन्हें कहना चाहती हूँ कि जिस दिन पाकिस्तान का ये प्रयास अखबार में आया और हमें पता चला, बिना समय गंवाए 5 मिनट के भीतर भारत सरकार ने उसको खारिज किया। और जो उन्होंने कहा है कि दोनों सदनों का प्रस्ताव है, केवल लोकसभा का नहीं, लोकसभा राज्यसभा दोनों सदनों का, भारतीय संसद का ये प्रस्ताव है कि सारे का सारा कश्मीर हमारा है, पाक अधिकृत कश्मीर हमारा है। मैं सिर्फ भर्तृहरि जी को एक बात कहना चाहूँगी कि आज जो सरकार है वो प्रारंभ से ये नारा लगा रही है उसकी पार्टी कि जहाँ हुए बलिदान मुखर्जी वो कश्मीर हमारा है, जो कश्मीर हमारा है वो सारे का सारा है। इसलिए इस सरकार के कार्यकाल में एक क्षण भी, इस सरकार के कार्यकाल में ये आशंका करना भी कि हम किसी हिस्से को जाने देंगे, ये अपने आप में बहुत ही गलत।
The government also called unfortunate the terming of attack on Nigerian students in Noida as racial and xenophobic by African envoy. Coming back to you, Mr. Sarthav, in fact, the issue related to Nigerian students was raised by you in the Lok Sabha today, and the minister categorically said that this was highly unfortunate and the government has taken all necessary actions and terming the country as racial and xenophobic is uncalled for. Were you satisfied with the reply?
See, Minister has replied today. On Friday, I have demanded for a statement from the minister and from the government, and Anand Kumar ji has assured for the statement also on Friday. So, the question what minister has said, that is very important, but for me what the African heads of the mission, they have categorically issued a statement, and in that statement they are not satisfied with the government response, and they have asked for a more response from the government, and even they have asked for help from other agencies also. So, that is very important for me, because the way they have mentioned in their statement that this is racial in nature, and they have not satisfied with the government reply and response. So, this is not a one incident which has happened. There are many incidences which is happened in last 2-3 months, and therefore the statement given by the head of mission, the statement given by the external affairs ministers, both are very important. And from from the Congress's side.
But will you also accept it's important to distinguish about the under the nature of an attack? Can you brand each and every attack as a racial attack? Because the minister in her reply also, she categorically said that there were attacks earlier also, but we have never called it racial, we have never called it xenophobic.
So, for me, it's a lacking, the efforts from our side is somewhere lacking. It's from our side, it's not means we are not in a position to convince these head of the states, and if you ask me as a member of opposition party, it's from the government side they need to reach out to the these all African countries, and they need to satisfy that they have done some measures. Some measures have been done by the government, and in coming days they will ensure that these attacks will not happen. But the way these statements have been come, the way the statement has come from the African heads of the mission, it's really alarming, and it's really the government side needs to outreach and needs to convince them that they are doing the maximum.
Okay, Mr. Sendi, your final reply on this particular issue, especially at a time when India is also raising concerns over hate crimes abroad. How does this really project India's image abroad?
नहीं, देखिए इस मामले में तो स्पष्ट तौर से माननीय मंत्री महोदय का उत्तर था कि इस मामले में वो बिल्कुल सतर्कता के साथ वो कार्रवाई भी कर रही हैं, और जहाँ तक भी ऐसे कई मामले विदेशों में हों या यहाँ पर भी किसी भी घटना पर तत्काल प्रतिक्रिया के साथ साथ एक्शन भी सरकार ले रही है। और इस मामले में तो कह सकता हूँ माननीय मंत्री महोदय का बहुत ही स्पष्ट तौर से कहना और उसमें कार्रवाई करना, सहयोग करना, ये बहुत अच्छा मैंने कहना चाहिए विभाग की दृष्टि से अच्छा काम करी, और सरकार इसके प्रति दृढ़ प्रतिबद्ध रहते हुए जो भी विदेशी हो या जो भी उन पर सब पर एक सहयोग के साथ साथ उनको कॉपरेट करने की हमारी सरकार की।
सातव जी ने कहा कि हेड ऑफ मिशन का ये कहना कि है ना, गवर्नमेंट ने जिस तरह से गवर्नमेंट का जिस तरह का रिस्पांस होना चाहिए उस तरह का रिस्पांस नहीं रहा, तो क्या ये कहीं कम्युनिकेशन की कमी थी जो कम्युनिकेशन होनी चाहिए?
कोई बात नहीं, कमीशन शुरू से ही इस मामले में स्पष्ट तौर से जहाँ पर भी घटने बिल्कुल तत्काल प्रतिक्रिया के साथ साथ उनको सहयोग कर रही है, और सरकार किसी भी मामले में पीछे नहीं है। लगातार आप पिछले की भी घटनाओं पर देखें तो सरकार के रूप स्पष्ट तौर से सरकार के तत्काल एक्शन लेके उस पर कार्रवाई भी की है, और आने वाले समय भी उस पर हमारी सरकार ने कड़ी नजर रखते हुए।
Okay, so the government will, you're saying that the government will try its best to reach out to the African community also. Thank you very much, both of you, for joining us in this program. And Lok Sabha at 2 p.m. will also take up the Taxation Laws Amendment Bill 2017, the Footwear Design and Development Institute Bill 2017, the Repealing and Amending Bill, the Indian Institutes of Management Bill for consideration and passing. It will also take up further discussion under Rule 193 on Sustainable Development Goals. So that's all we have for you in this edition of In the House. We now take you straight to Lok Sabha for live proceedings. Thanks very much for watching.